Welcome to the channel, thank you very much for clicking on this video. Now if I was to ask you how long you'd be willing to wait to take a photo, how long would it be? Would you be willing to wait 1 hour? How about a whole day? What if you had to wait 1 month? What about 6 months? How about 1 year? Because this is the story of how I waited 2 years to take one photo. So you're probably thinking to yourself, what the hell am I talking about? Waiting 2 years to take one photo? Well, let me explain a little bit further. Have you ever gone to take a photo and thought to yourself, if the lighting was a little bit better, then the photograph would be so much better? Or maybe you've found a good landscape photo that you want to take, but it's just not the right time of year to take the photo. You know it'd look better if it was maybe at a different season. Well, that's exactly what I'm talking about here. You see, there's a secret location in Wales called Fairy Glen. Well, it's not that secret amongst some photographers, but not many people know about it. You can get some really awesome long exposure shots there. The thing is, you've got to go at the perfect time of year to get the best potential photograph you can. So for the last 2 years, I've been waiting to go there to get the perfect photo. Let me explain a little bit more about it. So situated in North Wales in the Snowdonia National Park is the village called Betsy Way Coed. On the outskirts of this village is a place called Fairy Glen, and it's where a river runs through a gorge, and like I say, it can produce some really excellent long exposure shots. Now, living over 4 hours away from the location meant that we needed a lot of pre-planning. Working a 9 to 5 job during the week meant we only had the weekends available to us, and every time we thought we had the perfect lighting and weather situation, it would throw a curveball at us and plans would have to be cancelled. So we had it all planned for today to head to Glen Ferry in Wales. Half hour ago it was sunny as anything. We were just getting everything ready, and would you Adam and Eve it, the weather's changed just like that, and now it's peeing down. So we've had to cancel once again. And like I said, if the lighting or weather isn't correct, then this location looks average at best. So for the next 2 years and a lot of rescheduling and replanning, eventually in May 2024, I got the chance to finally go there. So we've just pulled over just to refuel the motorbike. We've done about 2 hours so far, just over 2 hours on motorways, really boring. But now we're heading into Wales, and if you've never been to Wales before, it's one of the most beautiful countries in the world, and it also has some of the most beautiful roads to ride on. So we're going to fill up with petrol and head off out. Let's see how we go. Like I say, Wales is one of the most beautiful countries in the whole of the world. You've got rolling hills and valleys, some of the most beautiful, quaint little villages and towns. And every now and again, you even get to meet a sheep. After a 4-hour ride, we had finally made it to Fairy Glen. And 2 years after first planning to visit this very location, I had finally made it. In truth, I never thought I'd make it here. It needed so many things to align that I always felt they were slightly out of my grasp. And was it worth all that time waiting? 2 years to take one photo? Two years, one photo. So 2 years for one photo, I must be bloody mad. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, put them below in the comment section. If you want to see further videos from myself, please hit that subscribe button. But for now, that's it. We'll catch up in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. We'll see you soon.